psychedelic pattern isn't fashion, it's a warning sign. Predators see him and think, nope.
Those flowing fins aren't just fancy, they're beta confidence flags. Stylish and spicy. Those stripes say, look, but don't touch.
Fashion fact: this fish changes outfits as it grows.
Friendly, fearless, and fabulous. Protected by stinging friends.
Fire colors make predators hesitate. Fashion saves lives. Round, calm, and royal. Built for graceful jungle swimming.
Bred by humans, loved worldwide. Swimming symbols of peace.
Different fins, different colors, same ocean magic.